Zhengzhou in China today carried out lockdowns close to Foxconn's fundamental iPhone fabricating offices, which could eventually affect Apple's store network, reports Bloomberg. A few regions in the Zhengzhou airport economy zone have been put under isolation taking effect right now, and individuals in the space should remain in their homes and are not allowed to leave. The airport economy zone is the place where Foxconn's biggest iPhone gathering plant is found, and the lockdown comes after representatives have been going through required COVID testing. China has been carrying out lockdowns trying to check the spread of the COVID, and these endeavors could affect Apple gadget fabricating. Right now, there seem, by all accounts, to be no iPhone or iPad delays, yet Apple has been fighting MacBook Pro deficiencies. Apple providers Pegatron and Quanta have additionally, as of late, ended creation in eastern China because of COVID limitations. In March, Foxconn had to suspend creation for a long time in Shenzhen following a far-reaching lockdown that kept inhabitants from leaving their homes. The closure endured only 2 or 3 days before Foxconn had the option to continue creating, with representatives living and working at the plant in bubble courses of action. Please check our description box if you want to learn more about it.